So YouTube sent me this 100K plaque to say congratulations for reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, most people seeing this will say I have made it in life and that now YouTube is paying me a lot of money and I'm living my best life. But the truth is that it's the exact opposite. I've actually been stuck. And this video is just to walk you guys through what has been going on in my life. And hopefully it's going to help someone to get clarity on a few things that have to do with your life, especially if you're at a point where you feel stuck. Now, I'm a YouTuber and I don't know what it is that you do, but if you're feeling like, where exactly is my life going and what am I achieving? Am I even achieving anything? Will I ever mount up to anything? This video is specifically for you. Now, I got this plaque at the beginning of this year, right? You know, the year is just starting and then YouTube sends you this. You're meant to be feeling great and feeling amazing. And to top it off, I even bought, or let me say, I started this new business and then the business just started flourishing. If you know my channel, I talk about making money online. This new business started flourishing. I made so much money fast that I decided to buy one of my dream cars. Now, I haven't made enough money to start buying Porsches and Lamborghinis and those expensive cars, but one of my dream cars was always the Audi A5, the sportsback. I've loved that car for a long time. And then when this business started doing well, I said, let me just buy this thing. And I did. And now you would expect that someone who is getting these 100K plaques and is making money and is buying cars and is traveling here and there would just be having their life perfect. But like I said earlier, it was the exact opposite. I was feeling stuck, and I was stuck for mainly about 3 or 4 different reasons. One of the reasons was like I was trying to figure out, is my content actually helping and benefiting people? Because like I would make these videos, it would take a lot of time, and you see in the comments, not many people were coming back with testimonials and saying that, you know what, I actually benefited from this. People would always ask you the same basic questions that you've answered over for maybe 4 or 5 years. And the same people you're trying to help would even email you and ask for donations of money. And then I was just trying to figure out, man, is this actually helping anyone? Or am I just talking to myself? And you know, some people actually criticize me on this channel and say that, no, you're just making videos for yourself because YouTube is paying you. 100% you're correct. YouTube does pay me. But the greater reward that I get is from helping people. So you need to understand my heart and the type of person that I am. Even if I'm getting paid for something, if I feel people are not getting benefits or people are not being helped, it grinds my heart and it hurts me because I feel like I'm taking advantage of people. So I don't just want you to watch my videos and I benefit, but I want you to actually start a business. I want you to actually make money. I actually want your life to change. And that's why it was hard for me to continue making videos. I just dropped something there. So I had to figure that out, like what exactly is going on and what exactly do I need to go, what exactly do I need to do in order to go forward. So I thought I'd just take a break for maybe a few days. It turned out 2 weeks. It's become months. Of course, here and there I posted some videos. Some businesses would pay me to make a video, so I had to make the video, right? And then I started trying some live videos to see how people would react to that, but I still needed to figure this thing out. And so there are 4 basic places where I was feeling stuck. Number 1, my purpose for YouTube, which I just explained to you. Number 2, I was having these limiting beliefs because of the way that I was raised up, not to point fingers at my parents and say like they didn't do a job, because I think they did an amazing job raising me and my siblings. But I just grew up in this environment where I thought I always had to perform. I grew up feeling like I was never good enough and that people were always looking at me, waiting to expose me and say, see, this guy is a liar. This guy is an imposter. He's not real. So I grew up in that environment. So that kind of led me to always wanting to be perfect. It was hard for me to just create. Can you see the way I'm just talking right now? I am just sharing my heart. If you can't hear my heart, I don't know. I don't think I've ever done a video like this. I felt like I had to perform a certain way and come up with, you know, all these amazing type of videos just to try and please the algorithm or to please the people that were watching. But the more that I did that, the more I kept on losing myself. So you get to a point whereby you just keep on creating and creating and creating, and you are just getting empty and empty and emptier, if that's proper way of saying it. Until like I just couldn't do it anymore, and I had to figure out, Marshall, what the hell is wrong with you and what is going on? I just wrote a few notes here by the side because I knew I wanted to say a lot, but then I knew I might forget some things. So I just want to check. So there was just that pressure to just perform, plus the limiting belief that kept on holding me back from breaking barriers. Like I just told you, I've nearly reached 4 million rands in revenue. But when I started this channel, I said I wanted to be a US dollar millionaire. I've had the plans. I know what to do, but there's this thing that just always holds me back and tells me, Marshall, maybe that level is not for you. Slow down, stop. It's better to binge watch watching TV shows, or maybe just spending time doing this and that, than focusing on what really matters. And even when I get those big opportunities, sometimes I find I'm the reason why those opportunities end up being nothing, because I keep holding myself back. So this is a process that I've been going through to kind of figure out, okay, why am I stuck and why am I going through this? And then I realized, you know what, I kind of need to take a new direction with this channel. And that direction is by me becoming more authentic, creating videos like this where there's not much editing, but it's just me raw, telling the truth and helping people. So that's one of the things that you're going to be seeing on this channel going forward, right? The other thing also is me sharing other stuff that has to do with your mindset and the way that you see things, because the way you think in your head is how you see reality. Right? You can get two people who have got the exact same opportunity. One person will lose the opportunity, the other one will take it and become a millionaire. Why? What's the difference between the two of them? The difference is just the way that they think. So I want to talk about a lot more stuff that has to do with your mindset, the way that you look at life, and real stuff that affects us as adults. Like, you know, like in my heart, in my soul, I'm just this young guy, but I'm actually 38 years old this year, and I want to start talking more stuff that is relevant to men and women who are maybe closer to my age, or let me just say people who are adulting and trying to figure out their own way in life. So that's just the new direction that I want to take. I'm still going to talk about making money online. In fact, I'm going to be posting a ton of videos in the next few days. I've just given myself a target to like create a lot of content that is authentic and just sharing my thoughts out there, because I believe I've got a lot of stuff that I can share with people. But at the same time, I just want my content to be reaching your heart and talking to you directly, meaning that I'm talking about the things that actually affect you and you go through. So if you're still watching at this point, I appreciate you. I thank you. I'm so grateful for you. I'd also love to know in the comments of this video, what are some of the things that you feel you have struggled with, or you are stuck, and maybe I don't know, maybe you want help with, or maybe you are still trying to figure out. I want to hear your story in the comments. Why? Because those are some of the things that I want to start sharing about in this channel. I don't want it to be a channel where you just come and watch nice content and you're motivated and then nothing happens in your life afterwards. I want to touch those real heart issues that affect you. Not only just your bank account, but also really affect you and are stopping you from becoming the best version of yourself. So this is just me exposing what's been going on in my life and the new direction that I'd like to take with this channel. And hopefully you guys will still join me on this journey. Some of you might feel that my videos are now different and you might unsubscribe because it's not what you were looking for. That's fine. I still appreciate you. I thank you for your views. For some of you who are still joining me on this journey, I really appreciate you, and let's go to the next level. If you ever feel stuck, know that Marshall is here for you. Marshall is here to help, and he'd love to help you become the best version of yourself. All you just need to do is ask, keep following, and we're going to help each other. Let's become the best versions of ourselves together. Let's go.